Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 13th to the 15th of October 2025 on Monday. It's the feast of finally let's go, but Makwanyane is not prepared to follow suit and does what she can do change the situation. Zeddy struggles with the guilt of it all while Shobane makes her feels worse about herself. Ngaraje is stand by the state of Mangcobo's marriage on Tuesday. It's the day of Mpendulo Zimbeleko. A fed up Shobane brutally rejects a desperate Zethu. Ngaraje find himself deep in Mangcobo's business, but Shwabi has dark questions on Wednesday. When Zethu, in the worst of circumstances, hears about Dr. Masego's visit to the clinic, she tried to make the best of it, but end up deeply disappointed. Mangcobo's plan gets shredded by Shwabi's dictatorial attitude. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.